to turn the knob to adjust the speed. Okay? So you can go as fast as this, but I don't recommend to go that fast. So you want your clay to be perfectly centered. If your clay is perfectly centered, it's not gonna wobble. So this is off-centered, right? If I put my wet hand on top, my hand is gonna dance, it's gonna wobble. What we want is your hand to be perfectly steady around my hand. So push down, pull towards you. I have cramps. Morning. I must look like an absolute mess. I am rushing to get Bachi to the vet because last night he had diarrhea the whole night and it looked red and kind of gross and bloody. So I sent a photo to the vet and he said that's definitely bloody. Come in. I need to check him out. So such a stressful way to start my day, but rushing to get that done. Morning. It's a bit of a hectic morning. You can hear my video playing in the background. It's literally, let me lower the volume. I realized that I didn't update you regarding Bachi yesterday, so we took him to the vet. His poop was looking really gross. Like, this is TMI, but it was all bloody and like with skin tissue. It almost felt like when you have your period and like that type of blood that was coming out. So it's so weird because it's his poop. And Bachi's a boy, so he doesn't get periods. So that's why I was like kind of nervous and I showed my vet, a photo and he said, bring him in right away. That is cause for concern. So I did. And they ran all these tests on him. And once again, he seems to be fine. He seems to be in perfect health. So they don't know what's wrong with him. They said probably it's a bacterial infection and they gave me antibiotics to give him. That's what we did last night. It was such a struggle. He did not enjoy the medicine. It was actually really cute. I think the next time I'll give him medicine, I'll try to film it so you guys see. He's so funny when he's trying to avoid like taking the medicine in. He seems better already. This is like the cure for everything that ails Bachi. Like he'll eat something, he'll get an upset stomach, I'll freak out, I'll take him to the vet, and all of a sudden like the fear will magically cure him. So yeah, his poop is looking a lot better. He never like lost energy or anything like that. So I don't know. Maybe I was just nervous for no reason. But you know, I don't want to be like I don't want to not do anything as well and then regret it later on down the line if something does happen to him. So yeah, I'm still gonna keep bringing him in and be a nervous pet mom rather than not doing anything and heaven forbid something happens to Batch and I would just like really blame myself in that situation. So Okay, hair done. Come here. I know. Okay, ready? Calm down, okay? It's okay. We'll be very fast. Shh, shh, shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Bachi. Okay, wait. Open your mouth. Bachi. But oh no. Did you get pen on your face? Why is this blue? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. My goodness. It's so hard to give you medicine. Bachi! It's okay. I know. Is it okay? Sige na. Sige na. We want to get better. Good boy. Oh my, spilling everywhere. That's okay. That's okay. We got most of it. Wait, come back. You have one more. Come here. Got you. All right, last one. Last one. Last one. And then we can go to the one that you like. Last one. Come on. Open. Come on. Batch. 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 Open. Open. No, no, no. Oh, it's... Good boy. Very good. Very good. Oh, what a good boy you are. Oh, now I give you treats. Come on. Look, oh, it's the one that you like. Okay, come on, come on. Oh, let's drink water first. Let's wash down that medicine. Wait. It's avocado season, so we have an overabundance of avocados. So today we are going to be making a lot of avocado recipes. So let's put our hair up before we start cooking. So first recipe, we're gonna make a avocado salad. Avocado and tomato salad.
Nice.
That's the recipe.
I'm gonna get myself addicted.
Oh my goodness.
What's happening?
We are making lemon and herb crusted fish. Give it a minute. It still needs 2 minutes on that side. When you're done pan frying, you put it in here, you cover it with this stuff. This is our herb mixture with cheese. And then we're gonna broil it. Wow. For 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, that's fine, but I feel like it should be like this. No? Right? Like from head to toe.
This looks normal, that looks weird.
Alright, do what you do.
If you rub it, cut off the top, and then smack it. Yes.
Okay, you be in charge of the jalapeno. But look, it's happening.
It works.
Can you cut this in half? Because I
Smells
need to
spicy.
juice it. Do you know? What? No.
What?
That's not how you... Never mind. No! Okay. That's not how you hold things when you chop them. You're freaking me out.
All the seeds are getting stuck on this one thing. This is gonna be super spicy.
Can you get 3 avocados, Gab? We have to slice that also. Let's just go with this. Olive oil, lime, salt, and pepper. That's our dressing. That was a little stressful. To be honest, I enjoy cooking on my own when I can take my time and really prep everything, but I never want to discourage the kids from like trying stuff out in the kitchen because that's how you learn, and I don't want them to be afraid of like cooking or knives or things like that. So I just let them do their thing, even though it's like just a smidge stressful for my type A personality. What's gonna happen now is we're gonna go-karting for a while, and then when we come back, I'll get back to the kitchen and maybe make some avocado ice cream. Also, a teeny tiny bit of a Bachi update. Bachi, come here. He just threw up he threw up a whole like ball of whatever was in his stomach, right? And I think this is what might have been causing him distress and why his poop was so gross. So I was examining the throw up, and it was an entire strip of raw bacon. Like, I have no idea where he got his hands on this, how he ate it without anyone noticing. It's just, but anyway, I feel as though this was like really the source of all his like stomach problems. So I hope that now that it's out of his system, he's gonna start getting better. Although he's still on antibiotics, so that should be helping as well.
It cuts. Never mind. I lied.
Oh no.
I did it bad.
Take out the pit though, Lee.
Yeah. Kinda hard. Yeah, now we just need to scrape on the side.
Yeah, use your spoon and scrape on the side.
We just need to dip it and then drop the rest. And then you just scrape it off.
Yeah?
I need help.
Okay. Mama will help you.
I'll help you lagi.
So anyway, I was saying we'll juice one lime, put it in with all the other ingredients. Taste it first and see if we need a second lime.
Oh, okay. It's okay, it's okay.
You got it? Nice. Go, go, go. It's okay. We're gonna blend it all together anyway. Yeah, but we're gonna freeze it, and that's gonna be ice cream.
God, first
This
one
is a lot of condensed milk, yo.
Yeah. That's why ice cream isn't good for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think we need more condensed milk because of the amount of avocados.
Yeah?
Excuse me, do.
True. Okay, go ahead. You can open it up.
Should I throw?
Here. Why don't you squeeze the rest of this box? I'll open up the can of condensed milk. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze it all out.
Ooh.
We might be overfilling this blender.
Nah.
Get the giant chopsticks.
Masher.
Yeah.
Chinese chef, they use chopstick to cook.
Yeah, bitaw.
Yeah.
Instead of tongs, no, mayroon kami ito.
Okay.
Or even Japanese chefs.
Oh, I know what I forgot. A pinch of salt. Mmm.
What?
Mmm, it's good. Lee, go like this and taste it. Oh, it's so good.
Gamit pa ka sa condensed milk?
I didn't get enough.
Ha?
Hello, Ado. You think it needs more?
It's good.
It's good, no? I think pwede na white condensed milk. Do you think we need salt in it?
A little bit. Maybe to give like a balance. You know, the flavor triangle. It smells so good. Dip the bread.
Oh my gosh, our salt did not mix at all. Go ahead.
And you dip the bread in this. Right?
It's not mixing. I wish we had a more powerful blender.
Up. Wow.
Okay. Let's have Ahia taste a little. I think he likes it.
Better be good.
Lamig no?
Not bad.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I'll give it eye until this is
Good.
Good job, bro.
Give me a spoon, I'll try it.
Yeah.
my hands clean. Where's the spoon?
This is Kuan, the chef's privilege. You can eat straight from the blender. So is that it? Here you go.